Assalamualaikum dear students, how are you? Hope you are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. This is Sabrina Jahan Bhuiyan, Assistant Teacher of English, National Ideal English Version School Morning Shift. Dear students, today I am going to take English language class for students of class 4. Look dear students, here our lecture number is 10 and SW number is 9. Our today's topic is right form of verb. Okay dear students, now I am going to start about our today's topic. Okay, look here, right form of verb. Look dear students, here from rule 1 to 4 we have already finished and we finished that lecture in our last class. Okay, now I am going to start from number 5. Here look, in case of an action which is going on at present, in this case we have to use verb's present continuous tense form. Okay, so dear students, what have I read? I have said that in case of an action which is going on, okay, the action which is going on at present, in this case we have to use what? We have to use verb's present continuous tense form. Okay, look dear students, here always keep in your mind that now, at this moment, okay, etc. indicate the present time. Okay, now dear students, I am going to give in front of you an example so that you can understand it easily. Look here, he in bracket sing a song now. So here you have to write it in this like this way. He is singing a song now. So what we have learned from the rule? We have learned that now, at this moment, all of these indicates the present time. Okay. So here we have to write like this way. He is singing a song now. Then look dear students, another example. They in bracket watch TV at this moment. Here you have to write they are watching TV at this moment. Okay. Now dear students, look another rule number 6. Has, have or had indicates the use of verbs past participle form. Okay. What have I said? Has, have or had indicates the use of verbs past participle form. So here I am going to say an example. He has in bracket do the work. You have to write here he has done the work. Look dear students, another example. We have in bracket make him captain. So as per our rule, here we have to write like this way. We have made him captain. Okay. Look dear students, here rule number 7. If any sentence has just now, already, yet, ever, lately, recently, at that time the sentence will be in present perfect tense form. I am going to say an example. I in bracket see him recently. So as per our rule, here we have to write this like this way. I have seen him recently. I have seen him recently. So what we have learned from this rule? If any sentence here, if any sentence has like just now, already, yet, ever, lately, recently, at that time the sentence will be in present perfect tense form. Okay. Look dear students, he in bracket go out just now. Look dear, here we have found just now. So dear students, here you have to write he has gone out just now. Okay. Now dear students, I am going to say about rule number 8. If there are ago, yesterday, long, since, last night, etc. in the sentence, verb's past form is used at that time. What have I said? If you found in a sentence ago, yesterday, long, since, last night, at that time we have to use past form. Okay, past form is used at that time. Which past form? Verb's past form. Okay, verb's past form is used at that time. I am going to say an example. He in bracket leave home last night. Here you have to write he left home last night. So dear students, here we have found the word last night. So we have to write it like this way. He left home last night. Then another example. I in bracket come home yesterday. Here we have to write I came home yesterday. Okay, so here we have used verb's past form. Okay, look another example. I in bracket see you long ago. So dear students, here we have to write I saw you long ago. Okay, because here we have found the word what? Long ago. So here we have to write like this way. We have to write here verb's past form. So the sentence will be what? I saw you long ago. Okay. So dear students, now I am going to give you about our today's topic SW. You have to submit all exercise. Okay, all exercise only answer. That means this exercise. Okay, you have to write as SW. You have to do this as your SW. So dear students, you have to submit this properly. See you again in our next class. Allah.